This was a very, very strange situation that I had. I thought, because I did overheat this engine a little bit because the lower radiator hose broke, and so I thought that I had damaged the engine, maybe broke a valve or something, maybe burned an exhaust valve. But what I found was this coil pack, a #1 cylinder, that nut had rattled out, and the coil pack was just laying against the frame and sparking. Very strange. I've never seen anything like that before. How that would be able to rattle out and then actually pull out, because the boot is very long and it sucks onto the spark plug pretty good. So just a very strange occurrence that took place. Thank you for watching.